Hello viewers, Aslam Manzoor here. So welcome back to my channel. So in this video we are going to discuss about how we can create custom unsubscribe link with automations and with also thank you message as well. So let's dive in video without wasting time. And by the way, it's the most important features of for emails marketers. And if you are email marketers and you are sending emails without unsubscribe link, that's a big mistake. Your emails not going to spam only, it also hurt your emails reputations as well. So let me dive in video and I will show you step by step how you can avoid this. So first of all, what we are going to do, I'm just landing in a test account, not test account, it's my live account. And what we are going to do here, I'm going to simply go to sites and I'm just going to create a funnel here. Right now I'm going to use a blank funnel here. We will say unsubscribe. Okay, I will add step here. I will say unsubscribe. Just create this step page. And we are not going to add anything here. Simply I just going to create from blank. And in blank section I will add just thank you so much. So okay, I just take full width section here, and also I will add a column here, and I will add say just heading, and we'll say thank you so much and you are sub thank you so much, you are unsubscribed now. You're success. You're successfully unsubscribed now. I'll just connect the domain as well, but if you have domain you can add it, otherwise you can just leave it. So I just add this domain and make it publish here. Okay, I just copy this link. Now I go back. Just want to publish it. Okay, I just go back simply. Go back. I just copy link and simply go to the marketing. In marketing, you see here we have trigger link. I just click on it. I will create a trigger link. I will say subscribe link. Here I can put my funnel that I have designed, and it's live now. And go to back automation, and simply I will create here automations. I'm not going to use from any recipe. I'm going to create from scratch. I would say okay, the trigger I'm going to call trigger linked clicked. Add filter. I just say trigger link, and I will select link that's our unsubscribed link. Just click on it and save it, and I will mark enable DND, and here I can also select the filter for a specific channels, and here we can do for emails, and I just add it. So that's it from the automations, and I will go back, and automation is done, and go back to our marketing tab, and in marketing tab I will go to email template, and in email template I just create a new template in which we say, for example, I can choose from the templates, or you can create new template as well. I'm going to use this simple one. Just I say continue, and in footer you see it's unsubscribe link here. So what we are going to do here, I just click on edit. Okay, and I just add the link here. What we are going to add here, and I will add trigger link. The trigger link is unsubscribed link, this one. Okay, just add this one, and here what we are going to do, okay, I just save this template. Okay, go back to automations again, and simply I just create, not create, our automation is already here. So I just go to the automations, and for example I will send emails from user email, and I'm going to use templates. The template name was a trigger link unsubscribe test for now, and I just test on a, say, that's my personal email. I just test on it. Mail is done, and let me dive in box and I will show you. Okay, when I send this template, and when someone click on unsubscribe link, and this automation will run, and the funnel we have designed, it will be automatically appear there. So yeah, that's it from this video. If you need any GoHighLevel services, simply go to leadsflex.com, book free consultation with me. I will jump with you on a call and I will guide you step by step, and it's a free consultation. And if you can go with my affiliate link, I just provide you all details about all the things, how you can, even I can give you these snapshot free of course. Thank you so much for watching this.